Yeah, welcome Max, and thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
Wonderjet is perhaps one of the largest manufacturers of digital solutions for the corrugated packaging industry and also for Signage and Display. Your company offers multi-pass and also single-pass presses. May you just introduce what is the difference between those products?
Oh, well, thanks for your inviting. Wonderjet has water-based ink printer and UV ink printer with multi-pass and single-pass. Multi-pass is a good entry level. It's slow speed, but printing size is big. It can cover different size, different image. Single pass is faster speed, but it has some limit for the printing size. Actually, most of the customer at the beginning, they will choose multi-pass for entry level, and know more and more digital printing, know this market, then they will go to single pass.
Okay, I think that was a very clear introduction about the difference. I mentioned in the introduction that you have sold over 1,000 units to different countries. Those numbers are impressive for a local manufacturer. How did you achieve that you could sell so many machines to the overseas market?
Well, my company was set up at 2011. This year is the 10th year. And this is our ninth time to attending Signage Expo. We need thanks for the aid. It's a very good stage for us to show our products to the visitors and get the different requests from different visitors. We had made several end user and some distributor from different regions. They took us to anywhere in the world. So, and we have the widest products range: multi-pass, single-pass, UV ink, water-based ink cover the whole material. So we achieved over 1,000 units in global, not only in China, in global.
So what I hear from this answer is that Max is very happy with Sino Corrugated, or the platform Read Exhibition is providing, and maybe some of the machines are also coming from our platform, which is indeed also a good feedback to us. Max, Wonderjet has a slogan: creating a better world with eco-friendly and energy-efficient products. Can you tell us how the buyers can run highest performance in the most efficient way with your machine?
Well, our machine can, for example, the operator, they can load several different files, different designs together into the computer, into our software, and can print out one by one continuously. Each sheet has different image and data variable printing. It can make their job easier, like QR code, barcode can make it easier.
Sure.
There's no need to change the plate like vessel printer, no need to change the files. They can just use one time to finish everything.
Wonderjet has installed single pass and probably also one of the fastest corrugated digital printer in India for mercury plasto containers. This digital press comes from Wonderjet. It's a water-based ink, I think, machine with Ricoh heads, right?
Yes.
How did you land the deal in India with that machine?
This client is a very good kind of people. He had met us in Signage Expo several years, every year.
Okay.
So we have a technology development every year, and last year and make decision to try to use digital printer single pass directly, because he needs to use digital printer to solve short run and medium run, not only short run, also medium run. One of his business is do the packaging for fruits and vegetable exports. So sometimes he got different requirement from his customer from EU, different requests, and he needs to deliver it very fast. So digital printer helped him on this side, and especially during coronavirus, you know, the government, Indian government, they reduce your working employee. Every day maybe just 50% people can work. But you know, the flexible printer, they need more operators, more workers. That's a problem for him. But digital printer helped him. He can stop the flexible printer, just use 3 workers for operate the digital printer.
Yeah, this makes the process very flexible. If you can, let's say, with 3 people operate the machine and keep the production running,
Yes,
which is the most important for the
Yes.
for the people over there. What are your expectations for digital printing on corrugated, let's say, for the next 5 years?
From last year, people already start to try single pass digital printer. In the next year, I think it's still single pass. They will keep try to single pass printer, and I think it will be the water-based ink.
You mentioned water-based ink also in our talk before the interview. You mentioned that water-based ink will lead the trend. Why will it lead the trend, in your opinion?
Because water-based ink more economic and more environmental friendly, more close to the food level.
Yes, yes.
So I think water-based ink will be the final choice for the customer, for the people who do food packaging. I think water-based ink can cover more market.
Fully agree with Max. Water-based ink machines are more and more required, especially because of the food contact. There is a food contact.
Yes.
And sometimes, it depends on the country, it's also supported with some additional subsidies for purchases of those machines. So I think Wonderjet is very good set up for the future growth in this business, in this segment, digital print. And yeah, thank you, Max, for coming here today. I wish you all the best for the show. Yeah, good business. And if you want to talk with Wonderjet, please join our matchmaking later or send a request by comment or by email, and we will take care of it. For now, that's it. I wish you all the best, and we will see us soon again with the next supplier. Thank you.